Please don't. No. Oh.
Oh, mess up your bath. Oh, did mess up your bath.
Don't do that.
Will it have lights in it? Look at this. Momo just jumped in like fish.
Don't do that.
Chill. Chill.
Niggas out here snitching. They with the rats. Hey. Get 'em with the
You got some right?
Stop kicking me. Get in the truck.
What's going on in here? What are you doing? No, no, you're too young.
Dinky.
Everyone shut up.
What did you do? No, no. No, no.
Unbelievable resurrection for the Undertaker.
Cho cái hôi theo của nó đó hả?
He is full of rage.
Oh shit. Sorry.
But what's wrong with you today? What's wrong? High five the out!
Watch it again. And his name is John C.
Every man for himself. KO! What is wrong with the pedigree? Oh, what a knee!
His name is John C.
The finishing touches on this match.
But Lesnar is fading away. Brock Lesnar is fading away.
You got some right here. You got some right here.
Moschio cordis, basically the
But what's wrong with you?
Reigns. KO by Orton. And Roman Reigns. KO by Orton.
Unbelievable resurrection for the Undertaker.
Bye.